Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing another aftermarket navigation system. This time is from REEIIO.com. On their website you can find various Linux screens and CarPlay or Android Auto modules for BMW, Audi or Mercedes-Benz. And also you can find a wireless CarPlay adapter and AI magic box which will let you stream Netflix or YouTube movies. Before we show you the overall installation of this product, which is very simple, let's see what you get in the box if you order this device. First off, you get the user manual, which comes with every detailed information about the installation, the cables, everything you need to know. It's right there, so you don't have to worry about anything. Furthermore, you have QR codes with links to some videos explaining the overall process. And besides the instructions manual, we get the touchscreen itself. In our case, we will install it on a right-hand BMW 1 series. It's the NBT series. And you will see that everything is very simple. Besides that, we also get a bracket. When you order this device, you will have to choose if it's for the right side or the left side car. Last but not least, in the package we get all the necessary wiring so we can install this product and also use all the original car's features like the rotating knob or the steering wheel controls. As I've said, we choose to install this nav system on a BMW 1 series. With this model, everything is very simple. All we have to do is remove the air vents and the lower part of the dashboard, which includes the buttons for the media system and also the buttons for the air conditioning. Once we remove that, we have to remove the two screws for the navigations box, and after that we have two screws that are holding in place the original car's screen. Once we remove those, the car screen goes off. Yeah, very simple. And we have to remove the big and bulky cables. Those are going to be fitted on the adaptive cables that come in the box. And also we will have to remove the cables from the original screen. One important thing, we have to remove one cable from the bigger notch and insert it into the adaptive cable. Then the other end should go up and into the touchscreen itself. In total, there are 3 cables that need to be connected to the new screen, and before we put the screen into position, we have to fit in the right side bracket. The left side bracket will be almost the same, but somehow in mirror. Also, the USB cables need to go into the glove compartment box so they can be hidden. And after all the cable management is done, we can now proceed to connecting everything to the navigation box. Once you connect all the cables, our advice is to test out every function of the new navigation system, including the wheel knob or the steering wheel controls, before finishing up the installation. This way, if you forgot some connections, it's easy to go on and do it. Otherwise, you will have to take down the dashboard once again. Yeah, so if everything works and it's okay, you can proceed with the finishing of the installation. This means you will have to screw in everything, the 2 screws holding the screen, the other 2 holding the navigation box, and also the console with the air conditioning buttons and the air vents. First thing you should do is go into settings, system, and turn on the feature use cars Bluetooth channel. This way, if you use your phone with the CarPlay, when someone will call you, they will be able to hear your voice. If this feature is turned off, and it will be turned off by default, they won't be able to hear you. So if you have this problem, all you have to do is go on and turn on this menu right there. So here are the main functions of this new navigation system: wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. If you have an iPhone, with the wireless CarPlay you will get all the apps in the CarPlay ecosystem. Everything is very smooth, works very fast. The connection is stable, the navigation opens up very quick, and you get apps like Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps, WhatsApp, Messages, Music, Play Now, and of course many other apps that you can use in this ecosystem. Also, you get the AirPlay or the AutoLink feature. This allows you to use the screen as an AirPlay device. So if you want to use, for instance, YouTube, you can connect via the AirPlay with your iPhone, and it will mirror everything that you do on your iPhone into the main display. You have to keep in mind that before choosing the AirPlay feature, you will have to go into the settings menu, and there you have to turn off the CarPlay and turn on the AirPlay. Also, the same goes with the Android Auto or the AutoLink. You cannot use one if the other one is turned on. You have to turn off one if you want to use the other. Also, you have USB. So on a USB drive, you can play music, videos, and so on. This nav system is far more better than the original one because it lets you use the original rotating knob from BMW, but also it comes with a touch screen. Furthermore, we have the possibility of using the steering controls, and if for some reason we need the original navigation system with built-in GPS, we can switch to the original cars menu, and of course use that if we need. Also, the screen is very bright, very responsive, and it's a great upgrade for those of you who want more features on your BMW. Besides the Linux multimedia screen compatible with the BMW 1 Series, F20 or F23, there are some others BMW Linux screen, so be sure to check out the website, and be sure to use the discount code on the screen if you make an order. This code is for all the BMW Linux screens, so head over to REEIIO.com to get your product now. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.